And with so many things happening with cryptocurrencies nowadays, it's no surprise we already have apps and other things going on. So I've heard about DApps. What are DApps? What's happening?
Distributed applications are kind of like web applications, but they're made for the blockchain. So there's something new called, and it's called Toshi.
Oh.
Can barely see it, but if you open it up, these are some examples of how you can access the DApps. And if you scroll up, it's kind of hard to see, but here are some examples of the DApps that are emerging. There's CryptoKitties in different games.
Okay, so like how other apps are created, then these apps are kind of using blockchain technology.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's really cool.
Yep.
Yeah. So you can actually deploy smart contracts on either Ethereum network, Quantum network, a couple of different blockchains, and you can access those smart contracts from these applications like Toshi or MetaMask to actually use the actual DApp.
Okay, and I know you've already started working on an app. Can you tell us a little bit about it? We're gonna see it now, but what have you done to create your app?
Sure. So I wanted to learn how to develop with Solidities and create smart contracts. So one use case that I wanted to work on as a fun project was to put events and tickets on the blockchain so that you can purchase tickets and send them, transfer them as a unique identifier, and you can verify that the ticket is a real ticket to that event and that it is actually a valid ticket. So that was my first thought for a use case of blockchain technology on Ethereum, and so I went and built it.
Great, and we're gonna see how this app looks like and what you can do and how amazing it is to use.
Yeah, and it's still very rough right now, so it's, the smart contracts were what I was focusing on first, and then now I want to start, doing more design work on it. So it's still very alpha mode, so I'm still in development, so don't kill me for it. But it is interesting, so.
Cool, we'll go ahead and see it then.
All right, so let's check it out. Currently it's called Eventix. It may change this, we'll see. And this is just like the landing site for this application. I deployed it on one of my websites, letsminetoday.com, so you can access it from there. So this is just a landing site where it has information that I'm going to, of course, fill out a little bit more about. And this is about a potential token that I may attach to the actual DApp. So let's go check out the app. So here it is. Right now it's deployed on the broaden network, which requires MetaMask for the desktop, or Toshi Dev, which Lawrence just showed you, for the mobile. This is the landing site. So eventually I want to get featured events where you can purchase, pay a little bit extra to sponsor your event, get it on the featured site. And then as a user, you can go ahead and browse events, and here's the different events that are deployed currently on this smart contract. As you can see, there's 7 events and multiple different events. So if I want to go to EDC Orlando, I can check out event tickets, and here's the tickets that are currently available for, say, EDC Orlando or this test event. So you can actually go in and purchase a VIP ticket if you want. So, connects to MetaMask, add some way. So I just successfully placed my order in for the ticket. So now it needs to go, it needs to be mined, the transaction needs to be mined, and then I will actually have my tickets. So I'll fill this out later. It's all empty right now. And here we can go to see my tickets. So here's my current tickets.
Your purchase tickets?
Yes. So these are the tickets that I previously bought. Soon you'll see my, so this is MetaMask, which you'll actually need to use this application. So soon you'll see this transaction go through.
And what is MetaMask?
MetaMask is a application that allows you to connect your wallet to applications or DApps
Okay.
in an easy way. So here's tickets, so you can go and see your ticket, and it's your ID and your QR code where you can go and use your ticket at the front gate. And
So this is much safer than the regular ticket apps that are there right now, right? It's kind of more
Yeah.
secure.
so if there's any question, if you're buying a ticket from someone, you can go in, check out their ticket ID, and you can verify that that ticket ID is in fact a valid ticket, which is right here.
Okay.
So if it was 0, that's not a valid ticket. Or if you see the QR code and it links to some random gibberish that has nothing to do with this network or this platform, then it's not worth it. So, and here's a way to transfer it. So if you do purchase it or you need to send it to someone else, you just type in their Ethereum address and it'll actually send this ticket to that next Ethereum address.
Oh, that easy.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So maybe I can go ahead and test that out. Let's see. Copy all of this. Go back to. Alright. There we go. So that should be, when it's mined, it'll be sent over to my other address. And now if you wanted to create an event, you can go over to create event and create your own events.
So any event organizer, any concerts, any other events, you can go to your app and they can create an event and make sure that it's, because it's so easy and so safe and much better than what we have right now, it makes sense for them to create events on DApps right now, right?
Yeah, because you are getting that increased security, knowing that you can mitigate the scalping issues. Also, it allows the event creator to have more control on their event and have less fees. So you can actually set your prices. Some applications already have that as well, but this allows us to do it on the blockchain, so where this is valid information.
Very cool.
So here I'm going to go ahead and create an event.
And what does this gas price mean?
This just kind of speeds up the transaction
Okay.
so that it goes through a little bit quicker. So you're paying a little bit
More to have it quicker.
Yeah. So now once that gets mined, you'll be able to see that. So these are the events that I previously made.
Mm-hmm.
So once that gets mined, we'll see the captain files on event.
And then while we're waiting.
So let's. So I just checked. Here's the ticket that I just purchased. EDC Orlando. So they just came in.
Those are your purchase tickets.
Yeah.
Very
So
cool.
I have one valid, same event, and now we know that those are valid tickets.
Excellent. And while we're waiting for the event that you created, how are they able to contact you if they want to get more information about, to be able to use your app and
Sure.
see how they can put events there?
If they want to contact me, of course, you can just go to the website, letsminetoday.com. Also, I have more of a consulting website where you can go to get a free consultation. If you want to work together, if you have a project that you want to use, you can go ahead and come to this site and book some time with me, and we can sit down. Whether you want to if you're a beginner, Bitcoin, you want to know more about advanced crypto, smart contracts development, just come here, book me, and see if we can help each other.
Very
See if
cool.
I can help you out. Yeah. And we do mining, we do smart contracts, consultant, and we also do crypto reviews. So we can tell you a little bit more about our where we think what's going on and where we think some price targets. Of course, none of this is financial advice. However, we can share with you what we're what we think and what we're doing.
You guys work very hard on this, so you're always
Yeah,
knowing and keeping very up to date on.
Yeah, we're both full time in
happening.
this, and this is our career. This is our businesses, and so far we've been doing very good. I mean, we go out to these events, we go to these hackathons, we meet the creators, we learn the code, we use it, so we know what's good, what's bad, and we both have finance backgrounds as well. So finance plus technology equals fintech. So this is,
Excellent.
right down our alley.
Very good.
All right, so as we can see,
You've created my meetup.
Yep.
I hope they sign up on your app so they can meet up with me.
So there you go. If you want to go ahead and go to your event, you can edit it, change the name, change the date, change the venue, change the address, make new tickets, and then so when we go into here, we can create event tiers. So you can actually do if you have special tickets that you want,
Okay.
and you can set, if you
And the
wanna-
different prices and.
yeah. So if most of the tickets you want to have. So here you have 500 to use. So if you want most of them to be general admission, and then you could set the price of how much you want to charge. So, and this is in Ethereum.
In Ethereum, okay. Oh, very cool.
And eventually, as this evolves, it'll be even easier to use.
Oh, well, it's already user friendly, so I'm sure
So now we
with
see
your expertise.
if you browse the events, you could see it's available for
Excellent.
purchase. So up and see that the tier is already mined.
Very nice.
And
Awesome,
so
guys.
Alright, so yeah, let's go check to see if that ticket got transferred over. So check our other account.
So you obviously have a couple of accounts just for you because you want to
Yeah, I mean,
make sure everything is working fine, right?
Yeah, and in MetaMask you have, you can create accounts too. So
Okay.
you can go in between accounts and you can have an account on your phone. So here you can see that the ticket was actually transferred over and was mined and moved over to my other account. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
And then also, if you want, all right. So yeah, because it's on the testnet, Robson, all you have to do is go to Toshi. This is Toshi Dev, but eventually when I deploy it on the mainnet, you can go to just Toshi. So this is all you have to do. Type in the link for the website, which is the website .app. And here we can see the same stuff that we saw on the web. Browse events, see the same events. Here's the one Captain Falcon meetup that we just made. Check it out. Purchase a ticket there. As you can see, we purchased one on our other wallet. And you can also look at your tickets that you purchase, and you can use those tickets or you can transfer them over. And
So it's very user friendly on the computers and on your phones.
exactly, that's the goal.
Very cool.
So there you go. That's Eventix. That's a DApp that we created. So nice little example of what crypto can do.
And where can they follow you guys? What's your YouTube and your Steemit accounts?
Yeah, so you can reach us on the Bitcoin Club, facebook.com/the Bitcoin Club. Also, FinTech Consulting Group on Facebook. My username for Steemit, I think, is bwest981.
I'm Lawrence Link on most social medias, and I'm also working on my website boulderblockchains.com as well. So
Very cool, guys. We'll talk very, very soon.
thank
All right,
you.
thank you.